To who?
To Dad and Mom.
Yeah, well, what did you just say about your toes? What did you want to do?
I'm painting them.
No, I painted them, and you said you wanted to show who?
Daddy and Mama.
Mommy. And Daddy will be home later, but Mommy we have to send a video to, so show her your toes. Let's see. Ooh, what color are they?
Can I see?
Yeah, I'll show you after. What color are they?
Can I see?
Yeah, tell Mommy what color you picked.
Red and that one and that one and that one.
And sparkly?
Yeah.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Yeah. How come that nail polish is special? No, we didn't paint your fingers. That's good. Margot, how come that nail polish is special?
Hi, this is soap.
All right, say bye, Mommy.
I was holding it.
You're silly. Say bye to Mommy.
Bye-bye. I see you tomorrow.
Say see you Saturday.